But before anything else, kung bago ka pa lang dito, this channel is all about EDC or Everyday Carry. Hindi to. Ibang EDC. Sup everyone, mga chong at mga chang. Hope you're all well. Welcome to another episode of Tito Tips. This is Albert, your tactical Tito, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing episode of this package that I featured last episode. At kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung last episode natin, there's a link that I'll be posting here. But before anything else, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel to, this channel is all about everyday carry, everyday cologne, and everything that will make you look devastatingly attractive.
Dahil sa totoo lang, ikaw ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa balat ng lupa. Hayop ka talaga! Ang ganda mong lalaki!
Whatever that means. Bahala na kayo mag-interpret doon. Also subscribe right now, watch this video from start to finish, and when you grab this wallet, there's a 10% discount code in the description box below. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Balatan na natin to. Hey guys, thank you once again for tuning in. This video is made possible by Bolo Handcrafted Everyday Carry, a proudly Philippine-made brand by an artisan's meticulous hands. And also, I would like to thank Mr. Mindy Alberto, the founder and CEO of Bolo Handcrafted EDC, for sending me this package that I've been itching to open since last month. Grabe, no? Tagal na. Sorry guys, medyo natagalan siya because we were struck by cyclone here in Hawke's Bay. Devastated yung ibang area and hanggang ngayon bumabawi pa lang kami. But you know, good things comes to those who wait. And because I've only been seeing this in photos, it's a little bit of a challenge not to give in to my assumptions. Kasi kung titingnan mo yung website nila, ang angas ng mga photos, ang angas ng website, looks very professional. But Sir Bindi, even though I really enjoyed our chat about leather, philosophy, and other intellectual stuff, I will try to be balanced, very balanced, and maybe a little bit brutal in giving my opinions on this. And because this is just an unboxing video, we will just be looking at the design and some specs. We will not dive into in-depth review of this. Hindi ko i-discuss yung experience ko about this because obviously, kailangan ko muna siyang gamitin for quite some time. And Mr. Mindy specifically requested me to focus on LANEY Essential Wallet, which is their flagship wallet or flagship design. At he also said na meron daw dalawang freebies na kasama dito sa package na to. So, medyo na-excite na ako. So tara, buksan na natin siya. Kanina pa ako dito kating-kating. Look at that. Look at that. Napaka-environmental friendly ng packaging nito, guys. It says, handcrafted in the Philippines, support local PH Bolo EDC. Right? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Nahin natin yung maliit. This one comes in a brown box as well. Ang astig ng logo nila, saka may, ang tawag dito, alibata. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pasensya naman. Right? Look at that. Look at that. It's got a letter. Woo. So sabi niya dito, I hope you and your family are safe, warm, and doing great despite of this situation. As you all know, tinama kami ng cyclone. I'm sending you this item for you to hopefully use and enjoy. These items are the culmination of countless hours of work and a dream that I envisioned for myself and for the people who will use them. Thank you so much for this opportunity and let this be a start of a great friendship. Oh, nice. Keep the passion alive, Mindy Alberto. Thank you, sir, for sending me this package with it. All right. Whew, look at that. Oh, this is the LANEY wallet. Mamaya ako na to. Mamaya ako na to. Oh, meron pang isa. Meron pang isa, guys. Dalawang wallet. Tinan niya, grabe. Whew. This one. Ano kaya to? Nakaka-excite, mas malaki. Okay. Guys, meron pa siyang certificate of authenticity ba to, sir? Grabe, napaka-professional ng packaging. Ang ganda. Right. Sabi niya dito, yung end statement lang niya is, I would love to see your Bolo products patina journey by using hashtag #MyBoloJourney and follow the Bolo social media accounts. So, available Sir Mindy sa Facebook, sa Instagram. When you receive this, you will see a QR code here that you can scan and it will take you to those social media platforms. Okay? Medyo malaki to, guys. Uy! Girl! Pati yung bag niya, organic ah. Oh! Grabe. Grabe to, sir. Ibang klase ka talaga. Wow! Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh! Premium full grain leather, guys. Hindi siya amoy yung leather na na amoy gasolina, alam niyo 'yun? Amoy silent. Amoy antali siya. Amoy natural. Grabe. Kasama pa siya. It comes with, hindi ito yung reviewin ko. This is, a notebook with a leather cover. Ito yun, guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Promise. Ang ganda. Look at that. Look at that. Grabe. Gusto ko rin sana siyang reviewin pero maubusan tayo ng time. Anyway, unahin muna natin yung alright. This one. Another wallet, guys. Napakasimple. Napakasimple niyan. Yan. And then finally, we come to this main event, this LANEY Essential Wallet by Bolo. Okay? Ang naisip ko dito, I think it's inspired by origami. Di ba? Titingnan nyo. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng gantong design ng wallet. Guys, eto na siya. Eto na siya. Di ba? Woo! Natin. Amoy mo talaga yung natural leather niya. So sir, thank you so much talaga for this wonderful creations. Grabe. I mentioned earlier that Mindy and I, okay, let's drop the formality already. We had a chat. It's a very meaningful one about philosophy, and he specifically mentioned about stoicism. It's about, not worrying about things that you cannot control, living a simple life, and taking only the things that matters, and how this construct be an efficient tool to be a better human being. And clearly, yung kanyang philosophy, it reflects in all his works, as you can see, di ba? And I would say that this wallet's design, the details, the part are incredibly well thought out. The LANEY Essential Wallet is a 100% handcrafted leather, and the idea behind the design does not only focus on the aesthetics, but more so on the feels, and it revolves around the concept of straightforward functionality with a unique and secure top flap closure for easy insertion and easy extraction without sacrificing the content's security. This wallet was designed with your needs in mind, regardless of your status and gender, and it comes in different colors and can also be semi-customized depending on your preference, whether you are right or left-handed. So kung titingnan mo siya, malapad siya. Yan. Kasyang-kasya most of popular banknotes or international currency. So perfect siya kung lagi ka nagta-travel around the world. Wow, sana all nagta-travel around the world, di ba? And when you open it, it's like, for example, you put your money here. It's like counting the bills with your hands without totally exposing what's inside. Ang sabi sa website nila, it can house 6 to 14 bills and 8 to 12 cards, ensuring an adequate minimalist carry. So this wallet is made out of 2 pieces of vegetable tanned full grain leather. Kung makikita nyo, ayan yung isang pang part. Which means lesser parts, which means lesser areas where it can tear apart. And the edges, tingnan nyo yung edges niya, guys. It's sealed with toconol and beeswax. Bango. Each layer measures about 2 millimeters, and that's compared with my secret wallet. Grabe, parang 0.5 lang yung thickness ng isang layer nito. And overall, it measures 101.6 by 89.9 or 89 millimeters. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, merong dalawang type of tannings. Major type of tannings, these are chromium and vegetable tanning. At ang pinakamabusisi at ang pinakamatagal na process na ginamit dito ay yung paggamit ng plant-based na dye or vegetable tanning. So natural siya. Well, there could be other chemicals involved to prevent the hide from rotting, but the main idea is to minimize the use of potentially harmful chemicals. And as you can see, this one has a neutral color. And I specifically requested Mr. Mindy to send me a natural color because I plan to make several videos that will feature this wallet. And guys, I want you to see how it transitioned and how it would develop its patina. So let's go sa stitching ng ginamit dito. Yung stitching nito, I can say, if you can see, I can say na napaka-uniform ng pagkakatahi niya. And the gap is about 5 millimeters. Okay? 5 millimeters yung kanyang gap. And if you know Craft and Lore, they use 7 millimeters. Not as close as what you will see in Secret Wallet. And this is ideally used to join 2 or 4 sheets of leather. And the reason being is, the wider the gap between the punch hole, the lesser the chance for perforations to happen. Which means your leather will last longer. And if I compare it to Craft and Lore, if you know Craft and Lore, they use 7 millimeters yung kanilang gap. And by the way, yung glue na ginamit niya dito is water-based glue that provides more flexibility. And like water-based paints, it stays fixed kahit mabasa pa siya. And when it comes to the thread na ginamit dito, it's a saddle stitch, white waxed polyester thread. Lightweight siya and UV resistant din with higher tensile strength than most average thread. It is extremely durable because this is taken out from Peter Parker's web shooter. Joke lang. To have a clear perspective, this thread can rival the German tiger thread na ginamit ng Craft and Lore. Kung leather crafter ka, alam mo ang sinasabi ko. And speaking of Craft and Lore, pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng port wallet nila. Kasi gusto ko yung rustic and rugged look niya. I have never owned a port wallet though, but a good friend of mine got it and I believe that he still got it. Shoutout natin si Engineer Archie Celebre kasi siya talaga yung nag-influence sa akin ng mga ganitong mga bagay. Anything about EDC. And if I'm going to compare the port wallet in terms of the design, sa tingin ko hindi na ako bibili ng port wallet eh. Bakit kanyo? Because this one is on a different level. Because tingnan mo naman, di ba? Hindi lang siya pang rugged, pang red carpet din. And with just the design alone, I think this is something that Filipinos could all be proud of. I still cannot give a full comment about how long this wallet would last. As we all know, it will take time. Diba? So abangan nyo yung mga future episodes natin featuring this wallet. And it would be so much better kung sasabayan nyo ako. So get this LANEY Essential Wallet right now by clicking the link in the description box and get a 10% discount using the code TitoTips10 and avail yourself of a lifetime repair warranty. O, diba? Lifetime repair warranty. Yung mga ex nyo hindi nagtatagal eh. Have it while it lasts. Do it now dahil gusto kong makita kung paano mag-develop ang mga patina ng mga wallets nyo. Okay? And before I forget, it also comes with an RFID card that protects your data against...
Nadukutan ako!
Hindi lang niya naisama dito kasi nung sinend niya sa akin to, pinu-produce pa lang yung mga cards na yun. My only recommendation if there's any room for improvement is maybe they can find a way to incorporate this technology within the wallet itself para hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng extra card. There you have it, mga chong-chong. This is LANEY Essential Wallet from Bolo PH. Super versatile that you can dress up or down for only $62. That's $62 New Zealand. Hindi ko alam kung magkano sa Philippines. Magkano ba sa Pilipinas? About 2,000 pesos. So check out their website for more and let's make this our pambansang wallet. And once again, this is Albert, your tactical Tito, reminding you to always be tactful and thankful because whatever you're going through, carry mo yan. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.